How can you make the most money possible in IT? Yo guys, what's going on? Today I want to talk to you guys about money. Everybody loves money. You know, I've said this in so many videos. You love money, I love money, we all love money. Money makes the world go round, unfortunately. But what can you do to make the most money that you possibly can in this field? So let's start from the beginning. You know nothing about this field, but you want to get into this field. Go down that degree path. Getting a degree really does help. I mean, honestly, it really does help. So aside from the degree, there are two things that will really skyrocket your career and make you buku dollars, right? Like just, you'll be falling out of your pockets, right? And you guys can give me some of that if it's falling out of your pockets. I would greatly appreciate that. But anyway, the two things. Number one, certification. Get all the certs that you possibly can. And you probably have heard this before. You know, somebody mentioned something along those lines, but that really is the truth. Don't limit yourself to one or two certifications if all you're concerned about is making money. If you want to make a bunch of money, get a lot of certifications. It's really that simple, honestly. You know, get your CCNA, your CCIE, go get your Security Plus, go get your CISO, go get your CISP. The possibilities are honestly endless. All it takes is you studying and getting those certs, right? Study, go out, take the test, get your certification, and you are really on your path to making more money. It's kind of that simple, guys, honestly. Like, I don't know what better way to explain this to you or tell you about it other than saying, yeah, that's really going to do it for you. Other than number two here, which is experience. Experience is really going to help you a lot in this field because you can go and get your CISO, your CISP, or you know, CCIE, whatever the case may be. You can go get a bunch of certifications. You could start out making what you think is good money, but as you get more experience, you can really use that towards your advantage to hop to a different business that's going to pay you more money, hop into a different career path that's going to make you more money because you're getting different certifications. But you're also getting that experience, which really helps a ton because everybody loves experience. Every company out there is going to be like, oh, this guy right here, he has experience in security. We want him. We need that in our, you know, in our business environment. We need that right now. So having that, again, it can help you, but having just a broad, you know, array of experience will definitely help you down that path to making more money. So that's really, I mean, it sounds like it's simple or really obvious. I'm sure it's super obvious, right? Totally obvious. But many people ask this question. And if you're in this field, then you probably know how obvious this question is. But if you're not in this field, you know, that is what you need to do. That's what you need to start setting your mindset on, getting certifications and experience. You know, it might take you, you know, 10 years to really get to that level you want to be at as far as a monetary value that you are pulling in and that money's falling out of your pockets and you're sending me that extra money. So I hope this video helps you guys and sets you kind of on a vision that will help you. If not, sorry, but that's what I got for you guys today. So as always, take it easy.